The Justice Department weighed in today on a discrimination lawsuit against Harvard University. The suit claims the school illegally limits the number of Asians admitted. As Jan Crawford reports, the case could lead to another Supreme Court ruling on affirmative action.
In a 40-page legal brief, the Justice Department said Harvard engages in unlawful racial balancing when selecting its incoming classes, siding with Asian American students who are suing the university. Harvard's race-based admissions process significantly disadvantages Asian American applicants, the Justice Department said, compared to applicants of other racial groups. The court filing comes as Harvard is fighting to avoid a trial in the 2014 lawsuit, which argues the university holds Asian American students to higher academic standards than white and other minority students, allegations Harvard denies. The filing was widely expected as the Justice Department targets affirmative action in college admissions on multiple fronts. Last month, it reversed Obama-era guidelines that encourage schools to consider race in college admissions.
It always takes courage to speak up against injustice.
In recent years, Asian Americans have become vocal opponents of affirmative action. Kelly Babfavong is a junior at Harvard.
Harvard really only cares about diversity when it comes to forming a class of X% of people, which we've seen is wrong. We can't set quotas on what percent of each race we admit.
But civil rights attorney Michelle Turnage-Young says all students would suffer without affirmative action.
We have so many well-documented racial disparities in access to educational opportunities in primary school and secondary school. Colleges need to be able to have a way to take those things into account.
Now, affirmative action could be front and center in next week's Supreme Court confirmation hearings for Judge Brett Kavanaugh. He would be replacing Justice Anthony Kennedy, who was a key swing vote and had refused to end all affirmative action in college admissions. John?
Jan Crawford for us in Washington. Thank you, Jan.